Figuratively speaking, unleashing the power of English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be diving into a fascinating aspect of English writing, figurative language. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key types of figurative language and how to use them to enhance your writing. Figurative language is a way of expression that goes beyond the literal meaning of words to create fresh or deeper meanings. It's used in literature and everyday language to add color and interest, and to awaken the reader's sensory perceptions. In simple terms, it is when we use words in a way that deviates from their direct, dictionary definitions to achieve a more complex or powerful effect. Let's start with the first type of figurative language, similes. A simile is a comparison between two different things using the words like or as. For example, in the sentence, "He is as brave as a lion," the person's courage is compared to the bravery of a lion. Next, we have metaphors. Metaphors also make a comparison, but they do so more directly, without using like or as. For instance, life is a roller coaster. Here, life isn't literally a roller coaster, but this metaphor compares life's ups and downs to the thrill of a roller coaster ride. The third type of figurative language we'll explore today is hyperbole. Hyperbole involves exaggeration for emphasis or dramatic effect. If you've ever said, "I'm so hungry I could eat a horse," you've used hyperbole. Our next type is personification, which gives human traits and qualities to non-human things. When we say, "The sun smiled down on us," we are attributing the human action of smiling to the sun, a non-human entity. Finally, let's look at onomatopoeia. This type of figurative language imitates natural sounds in word form. Words like buzz, pop, sizzle, all fall under onomatopoeia. They help to create a sound effect that mimics the thing being described, making the description more expressive and interesting. And there we have it, folks. Those are some of the key types of figurative language: similes, metaphors, hyperbole, personification, and onomatopoeia. By understanding and using these, you can add depth and vibrancy to your English writing. Remember, practice is key. So, try incorporating these into your writing, and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video useful and interesting. Until next time, happy writing!